Hey everybody, welcome back to our second video here at the SDSU Interior Architecture Virtual Lab. This video in particular is going to be special. It's starting a whole new playlist on the YouTube channel. And basically my vision for this playlist is I want this to be a space where I showcase how we troubleshooted problems from our actual students. So that way, if future students run into these issues, hopefully this can be the #1 place they check for troubleshooting. And if these weird one-off situations happen to you, maybe you can find a solution quickly in this bank of videos. So rather than just a regular tutorial video, this channel is going to be just playing up how we troubleshooted these issues with students I've had in my lab. In particular today, one problem we solved is this is a student I had, and she was having issues on a floor plan she had that had a lot of curved walls on the floor plan. When she saved the file and tried to reopen it, all the points on the file or on the arcs were really jagged like this. And this was supposed to be a smooth arc. It was a smooth arc when she saved it. And now when she opens it, it's this weird jagged thing. And she had a full floor plan of these. And so the issue was, how do we fix that, right? Um, First thing when approaching an issue like this is you want to find out if it's isolated to one project file or if it's on all of your project files. So open up a different file, see if you're having a similar issue. If not, if all your other files are fine, it's telling you that something is awry in that specific project. Either settings askew, there's something wrong with that specific arc, or whatnot. So for her, it was the whole floor plan. So I know it's definitely something wrong in that project file. She did check other files and she didn't have that issue. So first thing to me is there's something wrong with her settings. Um, this happens to be on AutoCAD Architecture 2020, specifically for architecture. Um, so the first thing I found when something like this happens is sometimes the number of segments in a polyline can be off. To check that, you can check poly sides, or you could just do sides and press enter, and poly side is saying 4. So my poly side value typically entered is 4. Usually that's fine. I don't think that's what's wrong with this. The next thing you can do to check this is the first command I would check is called WhipArc. WhipArc. The WhipArc value here is set to 0. This has happened to be what was wrong with the student today's project file. This WhipArc value should be set to 1. And basically what that does is it rounds everything out. That value should always be set to 1 if you want these smooth arcs. Otherwise, it's breaking it back down to its polyline value. So check that first. That value should be set to 1. I will show you another way to fix this. Another thing that could be wrong is basically the zoom or view resolution. So if you type in ViewRes, ViewRes, hit enter, it'll ask you, do you want a fast zoom? You want to hit Y for yes. This value right now is set to 1. This value should be at like 1000. So make sure that value is like at 1000 or around there. And when you hit enter, boom, it should pop right back. I would recommend always keeping that value at 1000. And I would also recommend always keeping your WhipArc at a 1. So those should be your default. So first check those settings. Another thing you can do before you dive into all these, it could just be an issue loading, like loading your model. To check that, one of the first things you should do to troubleshoot that is you can type in Regen and hit enter. And what Regen's going to do is it basically just regenerates your model. So there's a loading issue in your model, or if there's something awry, it's going to regenerate everything, all your geometry. Just make sure that everything is displaying the way it should. And if you don't see a change after regen, then go into these settings and try to make sure that these settings are all aligned. But type in regen first, just see what happens. So give that a try. If it's still not working, feel free to come reach out to me. I will be in the labs, or just drop me a DM in the group message. Okay, guys, have a great one. Stay safe.